Hey guys, Chi-Chi here and welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.luxe. Today I am celebrating my YouTube anniversary with you guys with a haul. I've been on YouTube for about 2 years now and I've connected with a couple of you guys. I've met some really dope people and yeah, I just wanted to do a little something to commemorate our anniversary, basically, of knowing each other, you know? None of this stuff is really huge. It was just like, you know what? I might as well spend, it literally just gave me a reason to spend money. I just put an anniversary title on it. Let's call a spade, so yeah. So the first store is Louis Vuitton. You guys know that's the bag that my item came in, but trust me, it's nothing that big. I did get a couple of perfume samples, but none of these samples are fragrances that I really like that much. So I got the Dans Le Play. If I'm saying it wrong, you guys know. I got the Mille Fleurs, again, the Contremont and Nouveau Monde. So I got those samples. Of course, the samples that I really wanted, they didn't have, allegedly. It came in this little bag. It might be a little hint, I don't know. So I ended up getting the perfume Rose d'Avance. I wanted to show it in this box because it is supposed to be very reminiscent of the trunks that Louis Vuitton offers. So you have this. Let's pop this baby out. Nice little white packaging. It's probably messing up my lighting, and bam, here you go. I've already been using it, but I do keep it on its little pedestal. I finally bit the bullet and purchased this bad boy. I do like floral scents, but this one, it's not like rose that you would, a rose like you would smell in a bouquet, like that intense. This is just one of those subtle, lovely scents. So it's not a very overpowering scent. I really did go back and forth whether I wanted this bottle or the travel sizes, but I decided to stick with the classics and just get the whole damn bottle. I love the magnetic top. It's just really pretty on your vanity, and it smells delightful. Still got it in my mouth. Oh, doesn't taste that great. So yeah, that was the first thing that I ended up picking up. Really do like the scent. There are 2 other scents that I really do want, so hopefully I will get those. Next purchase, brace yourself, ladies and gents. Oh, what do we have here? A little Chanel bag. I finally made it to Chanel when it was open. It's like, I usually go to Short Hills Mall after work, and I never realized that the Short Hills Mall Chanel closes at like 7 instead of 9 when the you know, the rest of the mall does. So anytime I would be coming out of LV, Chanel will be closed. So yeah, just my luck. But I got this to really commemorate, you know, my time here on YouTube. So let me get everything out because I don't want to be sloppy with this. I had a really nice sales associate. Her name was Kim. Hey. And she just treated me so nicely. I was just like, oh, I'm special. So I have my little receipt with the camellia. These camellias, nobody talks about how soft and luscious and pretty this is. So it's in this little box here. I've been hanging on to this for a while because I wanted to undress her with you. So let's get that. Let's take this off. Oh yeah. I probably should have tried to slip this off, but we're not gonna do all that. So here's a nice little Chanel box. Let's pop this baby out. Ooh. This is a care booklet. And we have, hopefully it doesn't fall out. Bam, we got a Chanel brooch, ladies and gentlemen. Am I happy? Absolutely. You guys know I've been on my brooch quest for 2018, and yeah, I saw this brooch. Okay, let's paint the picture. Okay, went to Chanel, said I want brooches, right? Let me look at your brooches. She brought out the whole tray, and this one was actually in the display case. It wasn't on her tray. So then I'm like, what's that one? And she brings it out and stuff like that. And I was debating between this one and another one. And I was just like, I don't know which one to choose. The other one was really, really light. And this one, it just, something about this particular one. Let's keep her in frame. Let me make sure I'm in frame. So it was something about this particular one that just like was jumping out towards me. Let me kind of bend this back. So I couldn't decide. So I was like, you know what? Let me do a lap and figure out what I want. I went into the next store and it hit me like a ton of bricks. I was like, you know what? This is the one I wanted. Like, I'm really happy with this one. Like the other one, it was like leather with Chanel written on it. It was cute, but I don't know. It just didn't have that weight to it. I wanted something a little bit weightier. All right, let me just pin her since I have a sweater on. CC for Chi.Chi, CC for Chi.Chi. But yeah, I thought this was a really nice brooch. I'm into brooches. I think Minks for All and Jerusha Couture both were mentioned in a recent video that, you know, they're really not investing in brooches and stuff like that. And I totally agree, because the prices for these things are just a little ridiculous for costume jewelry. I get it, but who doesn't like a little style? And I like it because it doesn't have any crystals. I still want one with crystals on it because I want it. And yeah, so I'm not done with buying brooches and things like that. So this is my new brooch, my new smell goods. So all of the product codes, prices, all that stuff will be listed in the description box. So check that out. And yeah, do you like what I picked out? Thank you guys for rocking with me, because I know I've been hella inconsistent on my channel, but yeah, I do appreciate those of you who actually still rock with me, and anytime I upload, you'll comment. Some of you have reached out to me personally, and yeah, I truly thank you guys, and I hope to get a little bit more consistent, but I always say that, so I'm gonna stop saying that, because yeah, we're just not gonna do that. So anyway, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.